Top 6 large mall expect love in KL and Selangor. Number 1, KL City Centre, aka KL Golden Triangle area. This is a place where most of the MNC headquarters are located and highly paid jobs are offered. It is easy for you to go to your workplace with just public transport. Number 2, Mont Kiara, a rubber estate turned into luxury expect community initiated by the developer, the Condo King, Dato Alan Tong. We have two more sought after international schools in Mont Kiara, namely Mont Kiara International School and Garden International School. Number 3, Desa Park City, famous for its well-planned living environment and beautiful landscape and lake. A pet-friendly township where you can do your grocery, eatery, education and even medical without needing you to drive up from this place. Number 4, Taman Tun Dr. Ismail. TTDI is a mature neighborhood with mostly landed and bungalows. Staying in TTDI also gives you a good accessibility to the place like Bandar Utama, Petaling Jaya, Bangsa and Mont Kiara. Number 5, Bangsa. Bangsa offers a diverse range of trendy restaurants, cafes and bars. Expatriates enjoy the cosmopolitan atmosphere and social opportunity in Bangsa. Number 6, Ampang. It is a prestigious area known for hosting several embassies and high commissions. In Ampang, we have our oldest international school of Kuala Lumpur, which established since year 1965. It was the first fully accredited international school in Malaysia with an American curriculum.